Hey boys and girls, we are here for our last lesson on subtraction this week. I think you guys are probably doing amazing and you're doing an awesome job with that taking away problems. So you need to have your workbook out. We're going to be on this page. All right, let's get started. Ooh, let's get started with a little bit of a warm-up. Let's use our fingers to solve. 10 take away 3. Hold up 10 fingers. Take 3 away. How many do you have left? Ooh, you knew it. There are 7 left. Ooh, now let's start with 9 take away 3. Hold up 9 fingers. Take away 3. How many do you have left? Ooh, you're right. There are 6 left. Now, if we look, 10 and 9 are right next to each other. We took 3 away from both of them. Are 7 and 6 right next to each other? They are. Nice job. All right, we should have that workbook page out and ready to go. I'm going to tell you a story. Sarah picks 9 flowers. Sarah picks 9 flowers. Let's draw our 9 flowers. I'm just going to draw circles because it's easier to draw on the computer. If you want to draw 9 flowers, you go ahead and do it. 9 flowers. Do you have your 9 drawn? Nice job. Now listen to the next part of my problem. She gives 5 of them away. She gives 5 of them away. What would you do to show that she's giving them away? Oh, you're right. So I need to cross out 5 flowers. Awesome job. Now we need to write our equation to show what happened. How many flowers did she start with? You're right, 9. How many did she give away? So how many are we taking away? You're right, 5. How many flowers are left? 4. She had 9 flowers. She gave 5 away, and now she has 4 flowers left. Awesome job, boys and girls. Let's turn our page to our next workbook page. We have a few problems to solve. So we have to look at the equation. 7 take away 2. So there's already 7 in my 10 frame. I just need to show 2 going away. How many are left? You're right, there are 5 left. I'm going to circle that 5. I want you to solve these next 2 equations. Pause this video, solve, and then we'll finish checking. Hey guys, did you get those solved? So 8 take away 3. I need to cross out 3 because 3 got taken away. So that leaves 5. You are correct. So now I have 10 take away 5. So I'm going to cross out 5. I know that's a whole row on a 10 frame, isn't it? I don't even need to count those. I know that's 5. So now I have a whole row left, so now I have 5 left. Boys and girls, all of my answers today equaled 5. Nice job. Now it's time for you to do your quiz. So grab out your quiz. It looks like this. The front page, you're just answering the questions. And the back page, you're answering the questions. Remember, use any of those strategies that you know to help you. Have a great day and let someone check that quiz when you're done. Bye, boys and girls. Have a great weekend.